What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, this weekend, it should be pretty fun. I got my fuel cell this morning, and I can tell you first thing, the packaging is pretty poor. That's the aluminum on that side right there that's touching the floor, and there should be paddings there, but there's not. You gotta love eBay. If there are any damages, hopefully they're not that bad, and you know, I can weld aluminum, no big deal. But that's not our concern for today. Today, I am going to try to get the RTAs installed in the CRX. Now, my brother took the Caravan, so I don't have a car to go drive around and, you know, grab all my stuff, Honda, material for the diff and all of that. I'm gonna drive the CRX and, you know, let it cool down a little bit since it's super windy today. It should cool down pretty fast after driving. I'm gonna go under this CRX right here right now and measure across from frame rail to kind of get an idea on how much material I need to make my you know, cross beam for the front mounting point of the diff and pretty much the subframe area. That CRX doesn't have a fuel cell, so underneath the car is completely empty and measurements should be pretty simple. So we're gonna do that today. So I'm gonna get to measuring that real quick and then we'll head to the store. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad down here, but I'm just gonna measure from here to the other side and see how long that is, so I'll know how much materials I need if I can hold this measuring tape straight. Okay, well, kind of guesstimating where my finger is at. We're at about 32, and what is 32? That's like, I don't know, a lot of feet. So 3 feet. All right, so I'm gonna get 3 feet, and right here, I know the kit Odyssey Fab is on the market, you know, but like for me, I really don't have that much money to spend on just one piece like the kit, when I can use a fraction of that and buy materials to make it myself, and then use the rest of the money towards some other things I may need for the build, like a fuel pump. So the Odyssey Fab kit uses a round tubing, but I'm going to be using square tubing for the subframe part. So right here I'm going to guesstimate 1 foot, so that leaves me at about 4. And at the scrap metal yard, they sell the square tubing, round tubing by 5 feet, increments of 5 feet. So I'm gonna get 5 feet of square tubing, and then I'm gonna get, you know, the sheet of steel to make the end plates and reinforcement plates here and all that good jazz. But now that I'm under here, it doesn't look complicated at all. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and don't ask me about these control arms, because I'm keeping them. Let's get out of here. All the sheet metal out here are very thin. Probably gonna have to go inside and get some new pieces. And the square tubing is not expensive either, so I'm not gonna even deal with these super rusted ones. I would test out the blower. Damn, you guys, I need to come out here in the garage way earlier in the morning. We lost a lot of daylight, even though it's like 4:30 right now, and did a lot of run around this morning. I went to the metal shop, got some materials right there for the differential, and then I went to Honda to get the seals for the differential. Now they didn't have it there, but they said another location did, so I went to another location and they didn't either. The seals, if I order it, it's a week out, and Maybe I'll just order it online and just have it shipped to my door instead of me going back to Honda, but we're not 100% mounting a different place yet, so I can wait for it, no problems. Once I got back, I made the spacer that I needed to lift the bracket up high to clear the trailing arm. As you can see right there is really close, and that's secured into place right there, bolted right here, so that's you know, it's not going to go anywhere. I also did Russell rear brake lines, and I had to do this weird curve because of the axle obviously, and then it zip tied into this bracket here. Now as long as I have enough slack to bolt this up to the stock hardline, we should be good. I also mocked up my adjustable arms because, you know, this is probably going to be the last time we're going to see this, but I kind of want to share with you guys what I am running as far as this goes. We did an unboxing on this a while ago. I'm running the Wicked Tuning camber arm, and I'm also running the Wicked Tuning toe arm. For the lower control arm, we are running the Trueheart spherical. So the spherical lower control arm allows me to move the control arm towards the subframe of the car and correct pretty much the offset of the mounting points on the wagon rear trailing arm. So hopefully when the shock goes on, we're going to have that nice clearance between the axle and the shock body, but the only thing is we're going to have that little slant, which is not a big deal. So the reason why I said I was going to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday upload is because I want to spend more time doing this in the daytime for you guys, so I don't have to keep relying on my flashlight. And it just gives me more time to not rush things, because, you know, this is a crucial part to the... Ooh, it's like 4 gunshots. Anyways, because these are the crucial parts to the car, so I don't want to like rush into it right now. I'm just gonna go and jack up the car. I'm gonna put it up on jack stands and pretty much remove the trailing arm, the brake lines, and the e-brake cable. And tomorrow my goal is to install these trailing arms with all the new adjustable arms and the lower control arm, as well as dropping the fuel tank. So, you know, I've shown this plenty of times before on the channel. I'm not going to show it to you guys because, again, it's a time-consuming process, and I'm just going to go ahead and put all this stuff away and get down to work. I'll see you guys in the morning. Fuel tank is out of the car, and I had to stop the laps because there was like 2 eggs and a black widow chilling up there, but you know, kind of blew his ass apart. And pretty much got the fuel tank out of here. I was trying to salvage those hoses up there, but they ripped when I dropped the tank. And I also removed pretty much the fuel line right there, this one right here, and then there was a breather that was connected to this one. It was a red hose, and then pretty much the cable for the sending unit and the fuel pump itself. So now I'm gonna take the torch, I'm gonna clean up all the spider web up here. I'm gonna overlook the trailing arm one more time. I'm gonna get the aftermarket arms adjusted to the stock length, so that way once I put it on, it's gonna be somewhat close to the factory specs, so it wouldn't be too bad when I drive it to the alignment shop to get it straightened out. So I'm gonna get them out right now, get them prepped and installed in the car. Take you guys under the car real quick. Lower control arms bolted in place. So the only thing that really bothers me under here is the DC e-brake cable length. Now you can see right now it's connected to the e-brake handle, and it's extra long. I don't know, it bothers me just because this loop is different than this loop. Now I could fix it if I took it off the handle and you know, twist it accordingly, but I don't want to do all that. It's already connected. This is underneath the car. I'm not gonna see it to really let it bother me, but you know, it's all connected. It's out of the way. Hopefully nothing gets caught up in it and, you know, destroy my e-brake cables, but I think it's tucked up high enough where I'm not too worried about it. But those are in place right there. Wicked Tuning tow arms, and then we have the Wicked Tuning upper camber arm, Russell brake line, and we are pretty much done with the trailing arm installation. Now the one thing that I was worried about when I threw a trailing arm on, or when I built it, was the center of the wheel. And as far as it looks, we are looking really centered, and we are looking good, boys. The only thing is this side right here, the weight is on the lip on the inner, and not stickered like, you know, how I would prefer it on my wheels. And this one right here, right there, you can hear it, it's hitting the weight of the wheel to the camber arm tabs right there. So either I take these to go get rebalanced and put sticker weights on it, or I'm just gonna trim that part a little bit more so we can clear it. Other than that, we should be pretty golden. I only showed you guys one side of the installation, not the other, because I was just trying to get it done to beat the sunlight, and we lost. Plus the nephews are over. We were inside playing Smash on the Switch and lost track of time, but nonetheless we have our trailing arms installed and it's looking very promising. So that's gonna be it for this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna start the measurement of the subframe brace and the front differential mounting points, and then cut all the materials, get that all prepped and ready to get welded in. Maybe we'll weld it in too, just there's runs tonight, but I'm not going. But anyways, maybe we'll get it all welded in too as well, but you know, we'll get to it when we get to it. Now guys, you should be seeing this video on Monday, and if you guys don't remember, 4Bangers Production provided us a bunch of key tags, dual pull key tags in multiple colors. So I think this is a great time to do this giveaway, and the rules are pretty simple, guys. So how I'm gonna do this giveaway is pretty simple. All you gotta do is comment below 4BP static giveaway, and how I'm going to do it is I'm gonna draw 3 names on Friday. I'm gonna have a list of numbers, and each name is gonna go on those numbers in the order that they came in the comment section, and then I'm gonna go on random.org, select a number, and then the maximum number that we have on the list, and choose out 3 winners. And I'm gonna give you guys the weekend to contact me, your shipping information, so I can get them sent out to you. You guys have until Monday, which is gonna be the next upload, which is gonna be the next giveaway, to claim your prize. If you don't, you know, I'm sorry, you guys are gonna lose out on that deal and wait pretty much for the next one. Comment down below 4BP static giveaway. Again, that's gonna be pretty much for this video, guys. Progress is better than no progress. If you guys enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, and if you guys want to see the differential mount up process, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.